Ahlan wa sahlan. Today we'll just be having a quick look at the Ledger Nano S cryptocurrency hardware wallet, and I'm gonna have to hide some details over there, but we'll just get straight into it. Have a quick unboxing, my thoughts about this wallet, and that's pretty much it. Nothing too fancy, nothing too detailed. So trying to unbox this while I'm looking at the camera at the same time, so this is my first time. It's a bit difficult, but essentially here you've got the wallet. Looks quite sleek, and a lot of people say it does look like just a USB stick. Flips out like this with an LCD panel, I guess, and two buttons at the bottom. So yeah, that's the Ledger. Extra pieces that I'll probably get thrown away. A manual. Oh. Alright. So we'll have a look. Alright, so recovery sheet, etc, etc. I'm guessing this is these are your 24 recovery keywords at the backup, and you have multiple of these, so you can hide one under your bed, one in the wardrobe, and one with a family member, if that's what you want to do, of course. And here we've got a micro USB charging cable, and I'm not sure if that will focus, but yeah, I think it's pretty clear that that's a micro USB charging cable. I think this was released a while back, so no USB type C, but it doesn't really matter for me. And we've got a I forgot what you call it, mat. Anyways, that goes with that, and that's pretty much it. And just so you understand in terms of like size and scale, we'll have a Intel Xeon 3050 processor, CPU for scale, just so you kind of get. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And why would you want to pick this over, you know, the wallet that's on your exchange, or you know, keeping your crypto on your exchange, or on a local wallet? So from my understanding is that once the exchange disappears, so does your crypto. So that's the last place I'd want to keep it. So then I had the debate between keeping it on my PC on a secure place or whatever, and I don't know, maybe in crypto or whatever. But then I thought, I know quite a lot of people who can easily you know, silently you know, send a malicious file to your PC, and I know how easy it is to do. Not that I've ever done it, but yeah, just from exchanges between me and other people, I know how easy that is. So and I can never say that I'll be fully, you know, exempt from being a victim of downloading a malicious file that, I don't know, whatever it contains, a rat or ransomware or something that might steal the bitcoins or whatever other crypto that I'm using from my wallet stored on my PC. So then you have this, a hardware wallet that you just keep with you wherever you want, and I found this to be much safer, in my opinion, in terms of storage, especially if you're storing a lot of Bitcoin. Not that I'll be storing a lot of Bitcoin on mine, I can't say that 100% sure, especially not on YouTube, but that's pretty much it. So I finished recording, but I just realized lanyard. Okay, lanyard.
This journey, this road that I travel on, it all seems crazy. Over the years, I picked up thousands of tag-alongs, inspired by my story from a juvenile, when my clothes had holes in them. and my afro was picky. To them 90s, Moschino and Versace, no laces in Arachis.